Hello everyone, thanks for joining in. Today we will discuss Python. So Python is a scripting language that could be used to create website, to analyze the data or for debugging and multiple tasks, right? So we will use here on the perspective of networking. So as I said, Python is a scripting language that allows you to write a script that can send commands towards a network devices, right? So in the Python, we will use idle shell tool, okay? And it's a software tool that helps you write, edit, and run Python code. So this tool we can download via this link. So we'll share in the description as well, okay? So in this tool, we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, writing code, running code, debugging, and many more, right? So we can see the examples here. This is our idle shell tool. So as I said, we can perform the addition here, right? We can also perform the subtraction. We can also perform the multiplication here, right? And we can also perform the division. But here, when we will divide any integer value with integer, then we will get output in decimal form, right? But as we know that when we perform the EIGRP unequal load balancing, then we need only divisor value, right? In integer value, not in decimal. So how can we achieve that? Simple, we'll have to use double forward slash in place of single forward slash. So we will get the output in integer, right? One more thing here, suppose we need the reminder. So we can get the reminder value by using the percentage keyword, right? So as we know, when we will divide 22 by 5, we will get a remainder as 2, right? So in Python, there are multiple functions. So we will learn one by one. First function is print function. That's very important. So suppose we want to get the output of anything, we will use the keyword print, right? And inside print, we will retain in alphanumeric form, right? And this alphanumeric keyword is known as string, right? One more thing, this string will be written in single inverted comma or in double inverted comma. So let me show you. Suppose our YouTube channel name is Rahul Baranwal YouTube, right? And you want to print that channel name. So how can we achieve that? Simple, you will have to type print. We will start with single inverted comma. Sorry, we will start with single bracket, then single inverted comma. Then we'll have to type here our YouTube channel, Rahul Baranwal YouTube. We'll close with single inverted comma and then single bracket, right? So we will get the output of our YouTube channel name. We can get the same output via double inverted comma as well. So we'll have to use here double inverted comma, same Rahul Baranwal YouTube, and then we'll close with double inverted comma and then bracket close. So here we can see we are getting the same output with single bracket and single inverted comma and double inverted comma. One more thing here we need to keep in mind, if we are starting with double inverted comma, then we'll have to close with double inverted comma only. If we will close with single inverted comma, then we will get a error. So I can show you, if we are starting with single inverted comma, okay, and we are closing with double inverted comma, then bracket close and we hit enter, then we will get a error, right? So our next function is backslash, right? Suppose here our new YouTube channel name is Baranwal's classes, right? And we want to print this channel name, right? So how can we achieve that? Because we start our string with single inverted comma or double inverted comma. But here in this line, we are getting already single inverted comma. So it will show me error, right? Let me show you. print Rahul Baranwal's classes, right? We will close with single inverted comma, and here we will start with single inverted comma, right? And we'll close with bracket, right? So here we can see we are getting error, right? But we want to print this output. So how can we achieve that? Simple. We'll have to use backslash before this inverted comma. So we will start with single inverted comma, Rahul Baranwal backslash, and then Baranwal's classes, and then we'll close with single inverted comma and then bracket close. Sorry, there will be a space here, print single inverted comma Rahul Baranwal backslash, then single inverted comma Baranwal's, okay, and then classes, okay, and then we'll close with here single inverted comma, right? So here we will get the output, right? Now our next requirement is backslash n, right? Actually backslash n we use in Python as a enter, right? Suppose as we said that our YouTube channel name is Rahul Barnwal YouTube, and you learn topic of CCI enterprise, okay, and the CCI wireless and Python, okay, and you want to print something, right? And you want to get the output that in first row our YouTube channel should be written, in second row or CCI enterprise, in third row CCI wireless, and in fourth row Python should be written, right? So how can we achieve this output? So let me show you. We'll have to use Python keyword, sorry, Python I'm saying, print, after that bracket, then single inverted comma, our YouTube channel name, that is Rahul Barnwal YouTube. Then here we'll have to use backslash n, that means enter. Then our first topic is CCI enterprise, then backslash n. Then our second topic is CCI wireless, then backslash n, and our third topic is Python, right? We'll close with single inverted comma and then bracket. So here we can see that in first row Rahul Barnwal YouTube channel name is written, in second row CCI enterprise, third row CCI wireless, and in fourth row Python is written. Now our requirement is our YouTube channel should be written in first row, but whatever the topic we will learn in this YouTube channel should be written after a single space bar key. So how can we achieve that? So we'll have to use print, then we'll start with single inverted comma, after that our YouTube channel name, that is Rahul Barnwal YouTube, then backslash n, that means hit enter. After that we'll use here one space bar key, right? That means whatever will be written here, that will be put after a single space bar, right? Then we will use CCI enterprise, okay, then we will use backslash n, okay, then after that single space bar. Here we can use double space bar, that means it will be written after two space bar, right? So here to show you I'm using double space bar key, right? Then CCI wireless, right? So we will close with single inverted comma and then bracket, hit enter. So here we can see, here we have used single space bar, so we got the output single space bar. But here we use a double space bar key, so here we got the output of double space bar key, right? So I hope guys you have understand. So our next function is raw option. Suppose our YouTube channel name is https double forward slash youtube.com backslash n Rahul Baranwal YouTube, right? And our requirement is this YouTube channel name should be written in a single line. So how can we achieve that? If we don't use raw option, then it will be written https youtube.com and then next line Rahul Baranwal YouTube will be written, right? So as we know that backslash n means enter. So we can get the output. Let me show you. Print https forward slash youtube.com backslash n Rahul Baranwal YouTube, then close with single inverted comma and then bracket close. Let me start with single bracket comma, single inverted comma. Okay, then hit enter. Here we can see this backslash n is disappeared, right? And it shows that this is written in single line, and after backslash n this YouTube channel is written in a single line, right? But our complete YouTube channel name is this, right? So how can we achieve this? We'll have to use here a draw option. So we will start with single bracket, then we'll have to use a raw option, that means R, then we'll start with single inverted comma and we'll copy this YouTube channel name, we'll paste it here, then we'll close it single inverted comma and then bracket close, right? So here we can see we got the our channel name, right, with backslash n. Actually, this raw option helps to ignore this special function output, right? Now our requirement is our YouTube channel name should be written multiple times. Suppose our requirement is it should be written 5 times. So how can we achieve that? Print 5 multiply by single inverted comma Rahul Baranwal YouTube. Will close with single inverted comma bracket close. So here we can see Rahul Baranwal YouTube written 5 times, right? But our new requirement is between two Rahul Baranwal YouTube, there will be a single space bar. So how can we do that? It's very simple. We'll have to use print keyword, then after that bracket, then single inverted comma, sorry, 5 multiply by Rahul Baranwal YouTube. Here we will start with single inverted comma. Okay. Then YouTube, then we will use here single space bar, right? We'll close with inverted comma and then single bracket, then hit enter. So here we can see between two Rahul Barnwal YouTube there is a single space bar key, right? Now our next function is variable. Actually, variable is a location in memory to store the data, right? So we have actually completed the multiple tasks, right? But where it's being restored, right? So we can restore the data with the help of variables, right? Suppose here we have given value of a is 10 and value of b is 15, right? So the value of a and b will be stored in its memory. In the future, anytime we can get the value of a and value of b, right? So we can get the value of a with the help of print a, right? And value of b with the help of command print b, right? Suppose we have given the command c is equal to a plus b, right? When we will type print c, then we will get the output c is equal to a plus b, that means 25. But here one thing more, actually this is case sensitive. Suppose we have given uppercase c value is 45, right? So when we will print uppercase c, then we will get the value of C is 45. But when we will print lowercase c, then we will get the value of C is 25. So we need to keep in mind that this is a case sensitive, right? So our next function is CNAME, that is C underscore name. Suppose our YouTube channel name is C underscore name. Our YouTube channel name is Rahul Baranwal classes, right? Sorry, it will be written in single inverted comma. C name or company name, we can say single inverted comma Rahul Baranwal YouTube. Okay, and then bracket close. Sorry, inverted comma closed, right? And we want to print this Y character, right? Not full character. So how can we achieve that? So actually this channel name or company name is start with 0 character, right? So our Y character comes at 13th. So we can understand 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It comes at 13th number, right? So how can we get the Y character only? So we'll have to type the command print, then single bracket, then single inverted comma. No, actually single inverted comma will not be used here. C underscore name. After that big bracket, and then we want only 13th character, right? We'll close with single bracket. So here we can see we are getting the 13th character, that is Y. If you want to print complete company name, so we'll have to use print and then C name only, right? So we will get the output of complete company name, right? So whatever we did here, everything to be used in our scripting, right? So this was the agenda for today, guys. I hope you have learned something new. Till the next video, I am signing off. Take care.